Pope Leo XIV is known to the world as the leader of the Catholic Church. But during his papacy, he has also become known as an avid sports fan, often pointing to athletics as a powerful reflection of faith, perseverance, and unity. Today, the Holy Father welcomed Italian Olympians and Paralympic athletes to the Vatican, highlighting how sport can bring people together in times of division.
Today, in this hall, we look at the cross of the athletes, the Olympic and Paralympic cross, which, from the London 2012 Games to the Milan Cortina Games, has gathered together the prayers, expectations, and hopes, fears, and sufferings of women and men who at all ages share their sporting experiences.
From the global stage to personal sacrifice, athletes say their greatest victories often go beyond medals. Francesca Lollobrigida, who brought home Italy's first Winter Olympic gold at the recently completed Milano Cortina Games, says her most important role isn't on the ice.
No, I think mother athletes, yes. Because, of course, when I wake up in the morning, I'm a mom, but I'm a mom also when I'm skating, you know.
She hopes her journey inspires other women balancing family and ambition.
Just doing this for the other women, you know, that maybe in some points during the career they want to stop, to focus on the family and then to come back. So I just, example, but I just want to testify that I was able.
Church leaders say sport reveals something deeper about the human spirit. Bishop Paul Teig, Secretary of the Dicastery for Culture and Education, says athletics embody values the world urgently needs.
Well, I think this was a very concrete expression of what the Pope had said in his recent letter on sport, life and abundance. When you look at sport, you see people who show us what we're all theoretically capable of. But in many ways, that's not just the physical achievements. It's also the teamwork, it's the resilience, it's the discipline, it's the composure in so many ways, that these are values that are important for humanity.
And for many athletes, simply being at the Vatican is already a dream fulfilled. Egidio Marchese competed in the Paralympics and is a wheelchair curler champion, competing on the world stage. He was left paralyzed after a car accident and says meeting the Pope is deeply personal.
I'm Catholic. I come from a Catholic family, and finding myself here in the home of the Holy Father, here, I believe it's the wish, the dream of everyone.
In a world often divided, sport continues to unite, inspire, and renew hope, helping us to look even more closely at the beauty, value, and potential of the human person. In Rome, Valentina Di Donato for EWTN News Nightly.